Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim videos in CapCut. So if you have a long video that you want to trim, here for example I have a 1 minute 39 seconds video and I want to trim it to only 1 minute. For example, you can just click on the video, and if you want to trim the beginning part of your video, you can just drag this white box at the start to the right. It will automatically reduce the video duration like this. And if you want to trim the end part of your video, you can just swipe until you find the end of your video and do the same. So drag it to the left now. Okay, I'm going to make it 1 second like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.